Tingnan nyo. Oh my God. Yeah, look. It's already ripe to have to be harvested, look. Look at that, man. Oh, look at that. That's very big. I don't know how many hectares is this. Look. Yeah. I think they're going to harvest this in December. And we have sweet corn on the supermarket shelves later.